Hi, I'm Jake Sweeney. I'm the owner and head coach of Jake's House of Iron, an athletic performance training center in Canton, Michigan.
And I was looking for something that was going to provide me some strength building, particularly in parts of my body that have been laxed.
I knew that yoga offered tremendous benefits for me. I'd seen that previously, but I also knew that being a 40-year-old, relatively out of shape guy with some injuries, limited flexibility, having tried to go back to yoga in a traditional route with classes.
When you're ready, just crawl forward with your hands out on the mat.
It just wasn't working out.
And when I first saw it, I was totally blown away. I saw a simple, safe, effective, and fundamentally sound approach to teaching flexibility to people of all backgrounds.
Gotten benefits that I think would be very hard to get in a class, where the poses are perhaps tailored to somebody who is significantly younger and more flexible, and I can't get into that pose and maybe the teacher doesn't know how to adjust me.
So, modification number one is to simply bring your legs closer together. So it doesn't matter how far apart your legs are.
Manflow Yoga provides greater benefits than what I would find in a gym.
You get a great workout in, you can make it quick, you can do 15 minutes, you can make it 30 minutes, 45, an hour, whatever you want.
One of the things that drew me to Manflow Yoga was the fact that it allowed me to explore other ways to get a good, significant workout and maintain my body weight.
Using the muscles in the fronts of your shins, your glutes, your thighs, and your core. So pull your ribs up away from your hips, lift.
I've had a fantastic experience working with Dean. It's been a game changer for me.
In the gym, I would find that I would not activate my glutes no matter how many squats, deadlift, hence a lot of the knee pain and stuff like that. Through the Manflow Yoga, I started growing a butt.
Start to press up and over to the right. So we're really tightening your glute here. We're feeling this in the hamstring, in the back of the thigh. Pressing up higher, heel up higher. Still pushing down through your right foot, keeping your abs tight, protecting your lower back.
And really start to notice a difference quickly in your body and how your body looks and how your clothes start fitting.
I've seen huge benefits, dropped 20 pounds working with him.
I've seen some major changes in my posture, my ability to stay flexible throughout the day.
Manflow Yoga has truly changed the way I look at fitness.
I'm actually enjoying myself working out again.
So I highly recommend it. Fantastic program. If you're out of shape or hesitant for other reasons, don't be. It is well worth the money. Definitely give it a shot.